Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today I'm going to be doing the long-awaited tutorial on the James Charles X Morphe palette. I was really excited that I got this for Christmas, and frankly I was shocked that I got it too. So, if you want to see me use this palette to make this eye look, then keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to do my crease color, and I'm going to take the shade Punch Me, and like I said, put that into my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Single, and I'm going to apply that in my outer corner, working inwards. Next, I'm going to take the shade Love That, and I'm going to apply that from my inner corner all the way to where I applied the shade Single and blend them together. So for my lash line, I'm going to take the shade Brother, and I'm going to, like I said, put that on my lower lash line. So scratch the idea, I'm actually going to take that color off because I don't like the bright pink with the blue. So now I'm just going to move straight into the inner corner, and I'm going to use the shade Ring Light, and like I said, use that as my inner corner highlight. I'm just going to put on mascara and lippy, and I'll be right back. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Me personally, I do love this palette. I love all the pigmentation in here. Now I do need to experiment more with the colors and the textures and so forth, but so far I do like this palette a lot. I also love the packaging. I also loved the box itself that it came in. I thought that was very clever and very pretty. Great palette. I love how it's a ginormous palette. I just wish that there was a mirror in here because I love a mirror in a palette. And I do love the shade names as well. But again, that is the end for this video. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week. One on Mondays, which is a Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays, which is either a teen take or mom moment. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and comment down below what do you think of this palette, if you have this palette, and even if you watch James Charles in general, because if you watch him, a lot of the shade names will be really funny. To someone who doesn't watch him, they would just be average shade names, but to someone who watches them, they're pretty funny. Be sure to follow us on social media, first on Instagram, which is MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004, and with me on Pinterest under the same username. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time in our next MomNMe video. Bye everyone!